Yo dudes!
Welcome to creamy pasta using leftovers.
This is a great recipe. We're going to show you how to make the framework around a creamy cheese sauce using leftovers. We're going to do it in 5 minutes.
We're going to do it in 4 minutes 57 because they couldn't
better.
quite figure out how to get it for 5 minutes. So,
Without
ladies
further
and
ado.
gentlemen, without further ado, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes,
Oh,
beautiful.
yeah. Okay, we're off. Great.
Okay,
Wonderful.
so in our blender, blender, we have some spuds and some carrots.
Spuds, what are spuds, Stefan?
Potatoes, just leftover potatoes. At this time of year, many people have lots of leftover potatoes.
So the rough framework for this, so yeah, we're going with potatoes and carrots. We've got leftover potatoes and carrots. Carrots are going to give that cheesy colour, potatoes are going to give that starch. A rough workout here is approximately 50% of potatoes and carrots and 50% of liquid. We're using about
Half oil,
half oat milk.
One of the best oat milks in the world. This one right here. Okay, so a little bit of garlic powder just to give a little base flavor. We're going to go with approximately 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I have a little bit of ground chili just to give it a little bit of heat. Just a little
Now,
bit.
if you don't like heat, obviously, leave it out. It's not obligatory.
3 tablespoons of nooch.
That also known as nutritional yeast, also known as hippie dust.
Very good, correct, Mr. Flynn. And you probably have black pepper. You love black pepper.
I love a little bit of black pepper, but if you had white pepper, it'd actually be better now. White pepper, I think the black pepper's all gone.
Oh, God, no black pepper.
But sure, we can pretend. That would be a little bit of black pepper.
Nice pinch of
Ooh,
salt.
jeez,
We're
you're
going to
not
go with a
afraid.
good bit of oil.
So, as we said, about 25% of this in volume is
So we've gone
oil,
with about 5 tablespoons.
and we're going to go with probably the same of oat milk.
Great. Okay, great. And
That's
we
probably
can
about-
adjust it. Like, I guess we want to just show you how when you're working with leftovers, you don't have consistent weights or time wise. Okay. So let's start going.
Will it go the cheesy colour? Beautiful colour. That's proper cheese sauce.
Okay, quick little break while my twin is doing some handstands. So we want to get the right degree of viscosity. Dave, don't mind me. Anyway, we want to get the right degree of viscosity. So we want it not too thick, not too thin. Really important to season it. So when you take it out, you're trying to find that balance between the 5 basic flavors: salt, sweet, bitter, acidic, and umami.
Can I have a little taste? Oh, pretty good. Jeez, well, we nailed it first time. You can find the recipe in our recipe club. We've got a Happy Pear app and we've got a recipe club in that. It's $3.99 a month. We've got more than 500 delicious plant-based recipes and incredible community to support you to be healthier and happier and eat more veg.
Nice, great. Okay, pan on high heat, little bit of oil.
We pre-cooked some pasta. This was pasta leftover,
And we have a
literally
bit of
from last
pumpkin.
night.
We go with the pumpkin.
Bit of leftover pumpkin, yeah. So we're gonna go in with
Ooh, love that.
a good bit of pasta, pre-cooked pasta. This is wholemeal pasta. Wholemeal pasta has more fiber.
And in goes our cheese sauce.
So this works great as a mac and cheese. You don't need any, like this mac and cheese is super simple. As we said, it's about 25% potato, 25% carrot, and then 50% liquid as in oil and oat milk.
And that cheese sauce will last for at least a week in the fridge, so don't be afraid of if there are leftovers, just keep it.
And you can add whatever kind of veg that you have left over through it as well.
And genuinely, like, this is a really delicious pasta sauce.
It really, really is.
I really like that.
Very simple, very delicious.
Very easy to make.
The recipe is on our recipe club, but the framework is pretty simple, as we said. What's the framework, Stevie?
It was 50% carrots and potatoes, 25% oil and 25%
Oat milk.
oat milk or water, and then flavor agents added on top. So we used a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of nooch, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of chilies.
Yeah, really
Chili
simple.
powder.
I'd go with another little bit of,
If it's too tight, just add a little bit of oat milk or a little bit of
or a
water.
little bit more of the cheese sauce. I'd add a little more of the
want
cheese
more cheese
sauce.
sauce? Okay,
Yeah, oh
nice.
yeah, this is going to be delicious.
This is
Keep a
good.
tiny bit.
Okay, we're
Thanks,
46
Mel.
minutes, we've load.
Jeez, lads, this is a 4-minute recipe.
And it's proper tasty. Okay, let's
Okay,
serve
is
it
that
up.
our pretty bowl? Wait, hang on, I just want to get everything covered and delicious.
And creamy.
So, yeah, delicious, easy, simple, leftover creamy pasta bake.
Okay, I'll serve it with
Sauce,
a bit of
delicious. You will very likely, there's certain times of the year you'll definitely have carrots and potatoes left over, and this is a really simple way to do it.
Even on it's easy to make. We're good to go. We have
Yeah,
19
okay.
seconds.
We're gonna plate this up.
Proper creamy. It's cheesy.
It really is. It's very, very tasty. It's like a cheddar cheese. There we have it. Delicious, easy, creamy leftover pasta.
Okay, shall we try it, Mr.
Simple, fantastic dinner. Yes, trying it
fork.
is all that is left. It looks legit. It looks literally like it's got loads of
Fork.
Loads of melted cheese gone through it.
It really does look like
Smells
like it smells
fantastic.
rich. I put a little bit of avocado. Obviously, you don't have to do that, but it just gives. Oh my god, this looks fabulous.
Here we go,
Like
folks.
it's proper
Dedicated to you. This cheese as well works great for Christmas dinner sandwiches, for quesadillas, for anything like this. Leftover cheese works really, really well.
proper creamy cheese.
It's really amazing, super simple. Framework, just to repeat, about 50% of the potato and carrot, about 50% is made of oil and oat milk, and then you got your flavour agents and chop. We use nooch, bit of black pepper,
chili powder, black
bit
pepper.
of chili powder, a little bit of lemon juice, and that was really
Garlic
it.
powder.
Garlic powder, very simple. This recipe is in our recipe club, along with more than 500 delicious plant-based recipes.
Really tasty.
You can find it in the App Store or the Android Play Store, and or you'll find it on our website. Really amazing.
But thanks for watching and sending loads of love.
Cheers, bye.
Bye.